Okay, today we're going for a wild one here. Crikey, look at that thing.
It's a little...
It's vicious.
Kitty cat. Oh my god! 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 It's coming for you!
Go to the horse now.
Okay.
To the horse. Look
Oh
at that
God.
thing.
Oh, it's so
It's dead.
so beautiful and calm. And just calm and beautiful.
These things aren't dangerous.
Oh my god. Oh my god, it's looking...
What?
Oh my god! It's attacking! Oh my god! Oh my god! Get off of me! Get off of me! What? That's a mighty penguin. He's the ruler of the animal kingdom, in case you didn't know that. And he could attack at any moment. Oh my god, it looks like the horse is trying to attack the penguin. Ah! The penguin's gonna get the horse. Oh, uh-oh. I think the penguin ate the horse.